guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I wore this week. So the last week's been kind of weird because all my classes have switched to online classes and I've just been at home, so I'm kind of like, do I really want to get dressed every day? But I found that getting dressed every day just makes me more productive throughout the day and just kind of gets my day started. So I figured I would share my outfits of the week with you guys in case you guys need some inspiration on what to wear when you're at home or working from home or doing classes online. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit is your favorite, and if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified the next time I upload. But let's just get right into the video. You guys had a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite, because I love being able to chit chat with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment, and it's just like, it's such a fun way to connect with you guys. All my social medias are listed down below in the description box, and I'm just wishing you guys a wonderful weekend, and I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.